Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be telling you about jade plant. Jade plant is a very common house plant. If you remember, we had uploaded a video few days ago on how we had repotted this plant. But in that video we only showed how you have to prepare your soil. But to make your plants healthy and bushy, we have to give nitrogen-based fertilizers. So after your plant has a health like this, make sure to only give it nitrogen-based fertilizers. And as we do organic gardening, we had given our plants dry tea leaf. For that, you have to wash out the used tea leaves and make sure to sun dry them. Oh, and make sure that while you're washing, remove all the sugar and milk particles. And then sun dry that. It is a really simple nitrogen-based fertilizer. Oh, and before giving your fertilizer, make sure to dig up your plant. This way the fertilizer will get absorbed more. And as you know, after fertilizing, make sure to water your plants. And when your plants are healthy, you can give them any shape you want. Here my mom is just pruning the plants a little bit so the plants get bushier. If you wish, you can try and give it a bonsai look. This plant is actually very easy to grow. So if you wish, you can plant it in your garden easily if you are an early gardener. Now let me just tell you a few tips and tricks for this plant. First, place it in a sunny area as it likes direct sunlight. Second, only water the plant when the topsoil is dry, as this is a succulent plant. Number 3, time to time pruning is a must. It only needs nitrogen-based fertilizer. And even if you give kitchen waste compost, it is enough for the plant. Also, another reason to not water this plant very much is because of the leaves droppings and the root rot. And make sure to only water the leaves of the plants when you're showering the plant, which is 1 time a year. And rest of the times while you're watering the plants, try to avoid showering the leaves. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.